there is literally no competition. The reason I say this is because मैंने notice करा है whenever you start a new thing, the first thing that hits your mind is, oh my god, there's like 1,000 creators out there or 100,000 creators out there for some niches, and मैं इसमें अपनी जगह कहाँ से बनाऊँगा? How will I stand out? Or I'll just get pushed down and मेरे को कोई space नहीं मिलेगी इसमें. But when you think about it, or like in my perspective, where what I think about is, when you really put a little stress on your brain and think about it, there is literally no competition. The reason I say that is because let us imagine a scenario कि 100 लोग हैं, they all start creating content आज अभी right now, and they post a video today, tomorrow they post another video, all the 100 people. एक महीने बाद और 1.5 महीने बाद you'll see कि उन 100 में से there will be only like 30-40 creators left, and over the time जैसे जैसे time बढ़ता जाएगा, the amount of creators will get so less. Suppose 6 महीने बाद और like a साल बाद there will be only 5 creators or something that will be left. So if you think of it as this way कि आप कोई एक चीज़ स्टार्ट करो तो आप उसको 1 साल दोगे, then you do not have 100 people in your competition. आपकी competition में सिर्फ वो 5 लोग हैं जो 1 साल बाद तक भी टिके रहेंगे. And my real point is not about being consistent, because सबको पता है consistency is important and consistency से बहुत फ़ायदा होता है. But that's not the topic I'm looking forward to talking about in this video. My point is that the ability to give up things you like doing for doing things that will have a better ROI in the future is the ability that will make you successful. For example, there's this one quote I heard Trishnan Tate say. He said something like, is the task that I'm doing right now going to help me in the future? And what he meant by that was, उसका ये मतलब था कि जो काम मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ क्या ये मेरी फ्यूचर में ग्रोथ को हेल्प करेगा? And if you think about everything you do in this way, I feel it becomes very easier to get to where you want quicker and in a better way. For example, जैसे मैं example लेता हूँ, you start Instagram page and you start making content. आप कंटेंट बनाते हो, रोज बनाते हो, you make it, edit it, make thumbnails or whatever and post it. Now there are days आपके friends हैं, suppose आप कॉलेज में आपके friends हैं, they ask you to hang out या आज कहीं जाते हैं, and आपने उस दिन का कंटेंट नहीं बनाया. Now अगर उस टाइम आपके पास ये ability है कि आप उनको मना करो कि भाई नहीं, मैं नहीं आ सकता, and to take a stand for yourself that no, I really need to make my content right now, that is the thing that the universe actually rewards. ऐसे कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं हो जाएगी उस एक दिन में कि अगर आप उस दिन वीडियो ना डालो या बाद में रात को आके पोस्ट कर दो, इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं होगी. It won't be a very big deal. But the big deal is the universe sees everything and it will reward your effort. मैंने, I think you guys do not know, but मेरी मैंने 2 महीने पहले एक AI automation agency स्टार्ट करी थी, and I did not have a client for like 3 weeks. I had no clients. मैंने बहुत outreach करी, बहुत cold DMs, बहुत mails, बहुत calls करी. I had 0 clients for 3 weeks. And 3 weeks बाद there was this one day जिस एक दिन में मेरे को 3 clients एक साथ मिले. And I was like, अगर मैं 2 हफ्ते में ही quit कर देता, I would have never gotten to this day. And मैं कभी expect भी नहीं करता था कि मेरे को एक ही दिन में 3 clients मिलेंगे and all 3 were paying clients. So the only thing that changed was I did not fucking give up or I did not fucking stop when things were hard. Now again उसके बाद again like 15-20 दिन, 1 महीना I did not have any clients. Again फिर उसके बाद ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि I got 2 clients more. So I just that's just how I feel कि if you put your mind to something long enough, you will definitely get rewarded by the universe or at least acknowledged कि आपको एटलीस्ट पता चल जाएगा कि ये चीज़ मेरे लिए है भी या नहीं, और आपको कुछ ऐसा साइन मिलेगा टू आइदर मूव इन अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन और टू टेक अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेप और टू like stop this thing and try another thing, any sort of sign. But definitely if you do keep doing something, you will get a sign from God or from external forces or the universe, I shall say, जो आपको आपके right path के तरफ put करेगा. And yeah, that's how I feel about it. And lastly, अगर मैं बात करूँ कि if I'm willing to like I'm really willing to die to be successful, then I really have no competition, because इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही I can put at stake. If the stakes are high, your chances of winning are higher. अगर मैं exactly मैंने जैसे अभी कहा, अगर मैं मरने के लिए तैयार हूँ to win, there is no fucking way in this world I will not win, because इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही commitment होती है. But definitely ऐसा नहीं कि if you just think you're gonna do sacrifices and not put in the right work, or not put in the right work when it's needed or where it's needed or how it's needed, nothing will happen, bro. The work comes first and the sacrifices comes second, but definitely both work together. You cannot just do work and not sacrifice anything and expect results, and you cannot just sacrifice stuff and expect results if you do not do the work. And अगर आप वर्क भी करोगे, if you're so blinded towards your work, the sacrifice comes automatically, because you just cannot see other stuff happening around, so you're automatically sacrificing stuff. So yeah, that's what I feel about competition. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing.